So these Maclear Security Agency rules 2021 have been approved by the Cabinet. These rules necessitate due to the fact that the central government in December 2020 brings out the model rules for all over the country. So we have previous rules, so there is the need to bring out the new rules, but since there is so many changes, so we have decided to bring out a new rules altogether, which called the Maclear Private Security Agency Rules 2021. Number 2, the Honorable Cabinet has approved the proposal to restructure the Special Force 10, SF-10, and the amendment of Maclear Special Force Amendment Rules 2016. So we know that the strength of the SF-10 approved by the Cabinet is 1,784. And the actual strength as of now is 1,387. So we want to restructure it in such a way that 905 will remain in SF-10, and the rest we could transfer to the district or to any outpost or SDPO as the case may be. So this also, both the rules and the restructuring have been approved by the Cabinet. Number 3, the Cabinet has approved the amendment of service rule relating to the establishment of the Directorate of Dairy Development brought about by the Animal and Husbandry Department. And number 4 is the minor amendment to the Maclear Stamp Payment of Duty by means of E-Stamp Rule 2020. So these are the 4 items which the Cabinet has approved. You see, after observing the situation all over the state, then the government, the Home Police has, in order to maximize the productivity, to maximize the use of resources in the state. So, and considering that the resource of the state to augment the availability of personnel in different outposts, police station or district, so that's why the Home Police has brought this Cabinet memo, which duly approved by the Cabinet. See, once we have strengthened the police personnel in different district or outposts or police station, then it will surely help in curbing the crime of the everyday crime which happen all over the state. As I mentioned to you, that as of now, 1,387 SF-10 out of the total sanctioned strength of 1,784, which the Cabinet has approved to restructure into 905. So we have a balance of 482 SF-10. So this 482, we could transfer to different district for the better policing in different part of the district of the state. The reason is that now we have seen that, if you remember, that this SF-10 was established purposely to see the overall law and order in the state regarding the militancy and also the disaster management and all. And we have seen that regarding this disaster management, the revenue and the disaster management have their own people to man. And we have seen that with this reduce in militancy all over the state. So there is a need to restructure this SF10 so that maximum benefit will derive by using this same personnel in the other district to curb this other crime which happen from time to time.